Data mining. Dear friends, today I will introduce some basic concepts of data mining. When we are going to use the Vecad Explorer, the basic concepts of data mining is an essential requirement. You might have gone through the PDFs, PowerPoints, and also the ebooks. Even though for the beginners, I am giving you a brief introduction about data mining. Data mining is an advanced methodology to understand the hidden knowledge in a data system. Now I can explain you how the data mining is different from data retrieval from a database. Data retrieval from a database and data mining are two terms. I will give you one example in order to differentiate between these two concepts. Large number of boys and girls are sitting in my class. Suppose A is a boy, B is also another boy or girl. One day I understand that whenever A is absent in the class, B is also absent in the class. That means every Monday A is absent, then every Monday the B will be also absent. So with an intelligent guess, I can understand that there is an association between the absenteeism of A and B. I can understand that there is an association between A and B. So data mining is an attempt to understand the hidden pattern or association present in a data system. If the principal is asking me that whether A is present today or not, I am saying that no. That we will not consider as data mining. Yes, A was not present on Monday. That is not data mining. But whether there is understanding the hidden pattern present in the data system is considered as the data mining. The next question is whether the data mining and statistics are same. If there is any association between data mining and statistics, in order to differentiate between the statistics and data mining, you can understand the data mining concepts and statistical concepts when you are using the statistical tools and data mining tools. Data mining is a combination of statistics, machine learning, and also databases. So you are retrieving certain data from the database and analyzing by using the statistical tools and machine learning techniques such as clustering algorithms or classification algorithms, just like a decision tree, or by using association principles, and you are understanding the knowledge from that. That knowledge will again become the data that will again be getting retrieved for further data mining process. Data is a series of data. We are collecting certain information from the data, making a knowledge. Knowledge is becoming a data. Again that data is analyzed by data mining techniques. That process is a cyclic process. Data, knowledge, data, knowledge. This is the introduction about data mining concept. Thank you very much.